Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have to unboxing this new DJI RS3. Kaka-release lang nila this month, I think. So, nabili ko lang to within this morning. So, excited na ako ma-unboxing to guys. So, stay tuned to my channel guys. We start the unboxing of this new DJI RS3. So what is inside the box? The gimbal, the BG21 grip, the extended grip, the quick release plate, lens support, multi-camera control, USB-C charging cable, and screw kit. So this is the
tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
3 connectors for cables here, different cables. See it. Magaan lang siya guys, hindi masyadong mabigat. Unlike the RS2. Nag-test ko kasi yung RS2, medyo mabigat siya. And that's all for today's video guys. Thank you for watching and hit like and subscribe my channel for those who new on my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and God bless.